Welcome again, students. We will now discuss the commands of SQL. First of all, as I told you, the SQL is a language which is used to create relational databases. So, first of all, we will create the database. How to create? In MySQL, when you start working upon, a MySQL prompt will be shown. This is known as MySQL prompt. Here, the create command will be used to create the database as create database and the name of the database, followed by semicolon. Keep remember. So create database name. For example, create database school. Look at it. The D is written capital, the D is written small. It doesn't matter. The commands are not case sensitive. Create database school. And when you press enter after writing this command, the message will be shown as database created. So a simple command, create database name. So create database school, so the database will be created. So once the database is created, to operate the database, to use the database, we have to make it in use. To use the database, we have to write the command use database name followed by semicolon. Again, keep remember, each and every command is followed by semicolon, terminated by semicolon. This I am telling you because in Python we are not used to place the semicolons at the end of the statements. So keep remembering it. Use database. For example, we can write use school. So when you write this command in MySQL prompt, the message will be shown to you as database changed. Means the database is changed. Now you are allowed to work upon the database created, the database school. Until you are not writing this command use database name, the database will not be active for you. So the database created by using create database command will be used further to use it later on. So to create the database, we can use the create command, create database name, create database school. To make it in use, to operate upon the database, we have to use this use command. Use database name. We write use school. So database is changed. Means SQL can have multiple databases. So out of all the databases, it has some predefined databases for you also. So for all those databases, the database school is the active database now. Whatever the tables will be created or the queries made, everything will be done in database school because it is in use. Is that clear? So create command and use command. Create command is used to create the database and use command is to make the created database active in SQL. Now, we'll start with DDL commands. DDL, the full form is data definition language commands. There are 4 commands of DDL. I will write here. These are the statements for the creation and deletion of tables. The commands are create, alter, truncate and drop. 4 commands. As I said, it is data definition language by which the data is defining. So these 4 commands will not work upon the data directly. These commands will work upon the structure of the table. So the structure of the table we can create by using this create command. By alter, we can alter the structure, modify the structure of the table. Truncate, we can remove all the records from the table, means only the table structure will be left. And drop is used to delete the table. So create, to create the table. Alter, to modify the table. Table structure, not the data. Truncate, to make the table empty. Empty means, as in your mobiles you are restoring the factory setting. So table will be restored as factory setting, as the creation time. No data will be there. Drop, to delete the table. Table with its contents. So these 4 are the commands. We'll start with create command in this video. Suppose we are going to create a table in the database school, the table student. In this, we need to place roll number, we need to place name, address, date of birth, or these 4 columns. Before creating the database, as we have discussed the element of SQL, first we need to decide the data type for these 4 columns, 4 attributes. The roll number will be a numeric value. It can be named, or we can take a common data type as number. Number may I have given 2. So 2 will be the total length. Maximum a 2-digit number can be stored in this data type. Name can be varied, is taken as varchar, maximum size 20 given. Address can be varchar, the size 50 given. The date of birth is a type date. No limits are given. The number of characters, number of digits क्या होनी चाहिए? No, that is not needed. So date type. The syntax for creating a table by using create command. So the syntax is, in MySQL prompt, create table name. No semicolon is placed, keep remember, because this is not the full command. What we'll write here? Suppose as create table student. We need to create these 4 attributes in this table. So for that, I have started a parenthesis. Parenthesis means starting a block, as we have created the functions in Python. So creating a block, we are using indents there. So for that particular indent, this symbol is used, the parenthesis. First is roll. The data type, number and 2. This line will be terminated by a comma. Keep remember, comma, because the major command is create table command. So create table command is continued, so the inner objects are terminated by comma. Name, varchar 20, comma, address varchar 50 comma DOB date, and here we can close the bracket and will place the semicolon. Now this command is completed. When we press enter here, then the message will be shown as one table created. Means your database school contains one table now. Is that clear? If this bracket is placed here in place of this, so you will have to write the comma here. You will keep the comma here, place it like this. So inner attributes are terminated by comma. The whole command is terminated by semicolon at the end. Create table command is used to create the tables. This is a DDL command, data definition language. So by using this command, one by one, we can create multiple tables in our database. First is student, another one we can create one more table, 1, 2, 3, 4 more tables, and every table will be created by the same method. Create table, table name, then column names, the types, the data types of those column names, the size, it is important to be defined, and then after it will be terminated by semicolon. So if all the syntax are correct, all the syntax placed are correct, so the message will be shown as the table created. Once the table is created, it is created, but it is not used in the same way. This table is not in the tabular format. This is the table created by the language, in a language format. What we did? We code this table. हमने इस टेबल के लिए कोडिंग की है. Now table is created. So to show the description or the structure of this table, we can write DESC and table name, student, terminated by colon, followed by semicolon. DESC student. Now, when this command is being operated, after creating the table, this whole code, all the attributes created, coded here, will be shown in the tabular format. Roll number, name, address, and DOB. The whole table structure will be shown. So what we need to do? First, we have to plan the table, the attributes of the table, the data types to be used in the table. Then after, we use the command, create table command, create table student, table name, the attributes of the table terminated by semicolon. If all the syntax were correct, the table created message will be shown, and once the message will be shown, to show it is in tabular format, this code in tabular format, we have to use DESC command, that is DESC student, or the table name, whatever we have declared, we have created. So this command, description command, DESC command, will show the code in tabular format. In this tabular format, we'll insert the data, we'll modify the data, we'll operate another commands. So in this video, we have discussed about the first DDL command, that is create command. So try to make some different tables. My suggestion is to install MySQL in your computers. After installation, create the database, as I told you in previous video, and then create multiple tables on that particular database, so that further what we will discuss in the videos, you can practice. Thank you.